about to do something really stupid. It's currently 1 in the morning. So like, I don't know what's going on. My hair is literally like falling out and breaking off. I'm stressing out. I know it's because literally I have not cut my hair in like a year and it's damaged. It's literally had its day. I've been wanting to go short anyway, so I'm chopping off my hair. Also gonna add, literally at 9 a.m. I will have my butt at Great Clips to fix it, so don't worry. So I have my brush and my scissors. If I don't do this, I'm never gonna do it. Oh my god, why am I so stupid? Because like if I don't like do this and like screw it up, I'm never gonna actually go do it. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I want it. Cool, I have to now. I have to. Oh god. So we've done it, and I'm gonna speed up the rest because I'm probably gonna have a mental breakdown in the middle of it. So what's done is done. Not gonna lie. Kinda like this length. Gonna be completely honest with you, I kinda do. So this is it for tonight. Tomorrow morning I will be going to get it fixed. But honestly, I kind of really like it short. Kind of do, I really do. And I'm also gonna add, my hair does grow extremely fast. So like, it'll grow out really fast. So here's the damage. That's all my hair. It's all broken and gross, but bye hair. So just got back from Great Clips, fixed my hair, got a little shorter because I messed up last night, shocker, but it's there and I have short hair now.